Well, to be fair, I mean, as Herman said, the love for the game. And I don't think I love anything in life more than cricket. So when you go out to bat or when you go out to represent your country, I don't think any other thoughts are there in the mind. When you put on the Indian jersey, the only thing you want to do is represent India and win the match for the country. And yeah, I mean, the biggest motivation is that when you put on the jersey and the India is written. I mean, I always tell everyone that once you put on the jersey, you just keep all your problems
Everything
aside
else.
and just be on the field because you have a responsibility and you are one of 2 billion people who are representing your country. And I mean, just the thought of that is enough for you to have that razor sharp focus and do what you want to do.
Beautiful. Wow. Spoken like an athlete, a champion athlete. Thank you for that. The way has been paved by so many people, and
Yes.
but you are the team that won and changed everything.
Yes.
For Indian cricket. But Smriti, आप एक बहुत ही cool customer हैं. She's a very flamboyant batter, of the most flamboyant batters in our team. आपकी क्या mindset रहती है जब आप मैदान पे उतरती हैं?
आई थिंक माइंडसेट एक ही है, बॉल देखना है और मारना है.
I like that.
I mean, I've always been a very simple person, not complicate my life with overthinking about anything. And one thing I believe that if you put a lot of work behind the scenes, because what happens on the ground, everyone looks at it that and judges on that. But what I judge myself or the team is the work which we put behind the scenes. And I really pride myself to do that work day in, day out, even if I'm feeling good about things or bad about things, whatever it is. I think if you put that work behind and when you go out to bat, you're just very confident about what's going to happen. So I think that's one thing which I pride on myself, but that's one thing which also changed massively for our team in the last I would say last 1.5, 2 years, that the work ethics, you could see a different shift for all of them. They all had a game plan of how they want to their next 2 years to look like, and that's something why we got the results.
Yes, that's a shot.
क्रिकेट की हर बड़ी खबर,
Lovely shot.
हर बड़े अपडेट और लाइव डिस्कशन के लिए जुड़िए मेरे साथ सिर्फ इंडिया टीवी क्रिकेट यूट्यूब चैनल पर.